My name's Carlene Sparkman. I have been married 24 years to my husband, Neil. And I have two kids, Avery, who's 20, and my son, Mason, who is 17. I'm the owner of Where Style Meets Order. I'm a professional organizer and decorator. I'm located in Midlothian, Texas, but I service all of Dallas-Fort Worth. I offer organizing, decorating, and staging, as well as packing and moving prep. My business began during COVID when I started doing projects for myself, and friends started asking me to do projects for them as well.
I am Ashley Ringel. I'm a registered nurse and holistic health practitioner with Nadana Wellness of Mansfield. I originally had Carlene come into my home office and help me organize. I had literally been trying to organize it myself for over a year, and I knew I needed somebody professional to come in and just work alongside me.
One thing that makes me unique is I work with my clients one-on-one so that we can create a custom system just for them.
Well, since she helped me so much in my office, I saw what peace it gave me to have this nice, organized place where I could come into and work from and not have to dig through everything to try to find stuff.
They're telling me how they get it ready in the morning in their closet and they are able to wear anything in their closet because we've gone through and done all of the organizing. Or, just being able to walk through your garage and get to your car.
If your space around you is clean, it's less stress for sure.
You're supposed to be able to be comfortable in your own space. And if it's unorganized, it's hard to be comfortable in your own space. I really enjoy helping my customers get organized and making their space their happy place.